What's up, Camping 101.
We got here super late last night.
Insane. Crazy. How are you, world?
Here we are.
In the campground, camping. And let's show you the RV. Here we go. Alright. So here's our big fat king size bed. Very nice. This is camping 101, and it is roughing it. Yeah. What's up, Rox? How are you? There's Shuey coming in. Stealth mode. Turd mode. What's up, guys? Hey. This guy is like giving us a run for our money right here. This is one of the most hardest dogs I've ever had to train ever. There's the kids' beds. There. There. If you guys want to rent an RV, these things are awesome. This is the best way to go camping because it's cold outside. Alright, and here is shut off. Hey, there I am. This RV looks like totally cool through this through the back of the camera. So what you guys are seeing, I'm seeing in real life. So whatever. Alright, out we go.
Daddy, Liz gave me my first shot.
Hey, Liz, your first shot. Hey, Daddy, Liz gave my first shot. Water. See. That timing could not have been better. While they're about talking, I'm gonna take you over here and show you everything. Let's go. So here is the other side of the RV. Here we got Brody leaving stuff laying around like he shouldn't be doing. And we're gonna get this fire going, which is already going a little bit. We got the bike rack. We got the campgrounds, pretty cool place. And here is the other side. Check out that.
We are going to build a campfire and we're gonna grill out with the fam. We're gonna go see the springs and
have a good time.
go with bike ride.
It's gonna be awesome.